Hey, fitness enthusiasts! Ready to transform your body with the hottest workout trend? Today, I'm breaking down the 3-2-8 workout. So, what's the 3-2-8 workout? It's simple yet effective. You do 3 Pilates sessions, 2 strength training days, and walk 8,000 steps daily. This routine balances strength, flexibility, and cardio for maximum results. Let's talk benefits. First, full body toning. Pilates sculpts your muscles, giving you that sleek, toned look. Improved flexibility comes next, making everyday movements easier and reducing injury risk. Walking daily boosts your cardiovascular health, keeping your heart strong. And the best part? You get a perfect balance between strength and mobility, making you feel unstoppable. Now, how do you perform the 3-2-8 workout? Let's break it down. Pilates, 3 sessions a week. Think core strength and flexibility. Try moves like leg lifts or roll-ups to engage your core and lengthen muscles. Strength training, 2 days. Focus on compound movements like dumbbell squats or deadlifts. Build muscle, burn fat, and feel powerful. Walking 8,000 steps daily. Track your steps with a fitness app or smartwatch. Walk outside, on a treadmill, or around your house. Just keep moving. Here are some tips for success. Set achievable goals each week, like increasing reps or steps. Use fitness trackers to monitor your progress. Switch up your workout environment. Do Pilates at home, walk outside, or hit the gym for strength training. Remember, progress over perfection. Avoid common mistakes. Don't skip rest days. Your body needs time to recover. Balance your routine. Don't focus too much on cardio without strength training. And track your steps consistently to stay on course. Pro tip: find your perfect workout balance to avoid burnout and stay motivated. Ready to see amazing results? Start your 3-2-8 workout journey today. Comment on your experience, subscribe for more fitness content, and follow along for weekly challenges. Hit that subscribe button and let's get fit together.